I'm trying to write a letter, but the wind keeps blowing my papers around. You know, I think I'm gonna go inside. Forget it.
When the wind is blowing, and your papers are blowing, and life's not easy, 'cause it's much too breezy. Who you gonna call? Who you gonna call? Who you gonna call?
Who?
Windbusters, that's who.
Windbusters?
Yep, we keep the wind from bothering people.
Oh.
Hey, Gina,
Oh.
step back.
Okay, Bert, go ahead. Use the special Windbuster equipment.
Wait.
Don't worry, Gina. He knows what he's doing.
Oh.
He's a professional.
Okay.
Here goes.
Okay. Oh.
Ta-da! There you are. Now, even though it's still a windy day, the wind can't blow your papers around.
Oh, well, that's great, Big Bird, but how am I going to write a letter with a brick on my papers?
Having trouble with bricks, Gina?
Yeah.
If you have trouble with bricks, who you gonna call?
Brickbuster!
Oh, we're Brickbusters?
Yeah, we get rid of bricks that are in your way.
Okay.
Say it.
Oh, that's very nice. Thank you, but you know what? I think I'm just going to write my letter inside, okay? Thank you anyway. Bye. Oh.
Gee, maybe we should find another line of work, Snuffy.
Oh, dear. I guess you're right, Bird. Oh, but I really love that brick.